Hello guys and welcome to a new tutorial. This time I will show you how to change the light bulbs in the tail light on this Fiat Punto mk2 year 99. In order to change the light bulbs, we have to separate the tail light itself from the car, and to do so we have to unscrew these nuts that you can see here under these covers with a wrench and an 18mm socket. This is the nut that I am talking about. This is an hexagonal nut, as you can see. Remove the second one as well. Now we can pull off the taillight from the car, but be careful because we have to disconnect this pin that connects obviously the taillight to the car. Disconnect it and the taillight is free. In order to disconnect it correctly, you have to push this way. And this is the taillight. I will now remove the cover on the back side of the taillight itself. I just removed the 4 Phillips head screws that you can see here. Once removed, pull back the cover this way. And these here are the light bulbs. Now you can change the one that failed. If you don't know which light bulb you have to buy, you can see here on the plate the code of the light bulb itself. You can find this information online and in the instructions that you find inside the car too. Push with 3 fingers on the bulb gently, be careful, and turn it counterclockwise and pull it gently away like this. Don't push too hard on the bulb or it can break, of course. Take the new one, be sure to match these pins, put it back in place, push and turn clockwise, and the bulb is correctly placed. Now you can insert this cover on the tail light again and screw in the 4 screws that holds it in place. Don't over tighten them. Now we can place the tail light on the car again, reconnect the pin, just pushing it inside the tail light, and put the tail light on the car like this. And now just screw in the nuts again in position and tighten them. Don't over tighten them. Push the cover back in place. And we're done. Thank you for watching. Feel free to subscribe, to like this video, to comment down below. See you in the next video. Ciao!